of November 2017, they have not heard anything about the test and interview. The service of the affected teachers is urgently needed, particularly at this educational year end. Therefore, this House hereby resolves that the Minister to address the issue of the termination of 75 interim teachers and to extend the service until they sit for the test and call for interview, and further until the outcome of the said test and interview. I beg.
Alali Muhammad. For a motion to succeed under Order 15, the matter must be 1. Definite, 2. Urgent, and 3. Of public importance. The subject is of public importance because it involves the termination of 75 interim teachers. It is not definite whether the termination was executed by the federal or state government because the opening preamble of the motion merely mentions government. The second and third paragraphs of the motion mention 2 conflicting dates. One date is set by the State Minister of Education, while the other is by the State Education Department. It is not definite whether the State Education Department is under the portfolio of the State Minister of Education and under his jurisdiction. Therefore, the subject matter is not definite. On urgency, the first paragraph mentions 12 November 2017. The second paragraph mentions May 2017. The third paragraph mentions 21st July 2017 and 31st October 2017. The fourth paragraph mentions 12 November 2017. The question of urgency, therefore, does not arise. The motion urges the Minister to address the issue and to extend the services of the 7 interim teachers. It was not definite whether the State Education Department is under the portfolio and jurisdiction of the State Education Minister. I have been assured by the Honourable Minister for Education, Science and Technological Research that ujian psychometrics for the 75 interim teachers will be conducted on 30th November 2017. Erskine May Parliamentary Practice, 24th edition, page 376, lines 4 to 7, stated that, quote, the Speaker has reminded the House that an application must be directed solely to seek to prove that an issue is sufficiently important, specific and urgent to change the business of the House so as to provide for an emergency debate and is not an occasion to debate the issue itself. As May, page 376, line 17 to 20, stated, quote, under the terms of the standing order, the Speaker has to state whether or not he is satisfied that the matter is proper to be discussed without giving the reasons for his decision to the House. If he decides that the application should not be granted, further debate on the submission is out of order. Motion is disapproved.
Speaker, thanks for the answer of the 30th November 2017 that psychometric test will be conducted. But at the meantime, the contract for service has been terminated. It ought to be extended until the outcome of the test. And since the State Ministry has been set up in charge of education, the Minister is deemed to have the power. If not, you are the powerless ministry. And the ministry ought to be dissolved and the minister ought to be dismissed. Therefore, it is very clear that the State Ministry has the power, if even with the extension of the contract, the Minister has no power. What more to say other autonomous rights in education?
I am not satisfied that there are sufficient grounds to shift the business of the house and to adjourn the city. I am not satisfied that there are enough grounds. That, under asking me, is the power of the Speaker. Continuation of the debate.